My name is Rick Wojahn. We are at the Myers Tire 2023 Vendor Fair and Expo. And just a little bit about who we are, what we do. We're Professional Tool Products, PTP, and we manufacture the MXP line of products. We've got tool carts, air tools, both in aluminum housing and in composite housings, along with standard and extra long anvils. One of the hits of the show has been the 1-inch gun. That's lightweight, so it's 10 pounds lighter than the all aluminum, although we do carry that one as well. So between the carts, the tools, MXP sockets, which are on the way, impacts, rounds out a complete line of products that we supply through Myers, along with a lifting program. So we've got our 3.5 ton jack, we've got 2 tons, we've got aluminum, and we've got up to 22 ton jacks as well. All MXP branded, everything with 1-year warranty on it and replace in the field. Any interest in these products, reach out to your local Myers sales rep and they can help you with both pricing and availability.